Welcome to another review as we review landing page builders. Today we're going to review Landingi. This is a great platform for beginners, especially at the price points. Obviously, you can see some of the different price points they have, starting at under $30 a month up to $80 a month, which still at $80 a month is still relatively low for a landing page builder. And then obviously, just like all the other ones, you have your option at choosing your increments per month. And obviously, the more months you do, the higher the savings you'll get. But let's take a look. For the most part, features are pretty similar across mostly all of them. I will say at the $29 one, you do not get the stock images. So they have, Landingi is really cool. They have images already integrated that are royalty free, which is a great benefit if you're just getting started and you don't want to go pay, $100 or $50 per image. Getting started, great way to get started at a low cost. Pretty much for the cost of one or a couple of images, you can have a whole landing page building software at your disposal. The main difference in the top tier and bottom tier as well is going to be in how many unique visitors you can have per month. That's obviously going to play a factor when you start looking at traffic. And then just like all the other landing page builders, also the amount of domains that you can have within the landing page builder is also one of the main differentiators in pricing. So if you're just getting started, I would always go with the middle package here, just because you do get the images, and the images alone pay for themselves if you don't want to have to go and pay for images on somewhere else. So I definitely think the middle package is good. One cool thing that they do offer is a 14-day free trial. So make sure if this is something that you want to try out, you click the link below and try it out for the 14-day free trial. You do not need a credit card or payment information, billing information to get started. All you have to do is really just enter an email and verify that it's a legitimate email, and you are ready to go. So as soon as you sign up for your account, it goes straight to picking templates. Now, one thing that Landingi offers, especially if you're not the creative type or you're just getting started and you really don't know where to go, they offer tons and tons of pre-designed landing pages, and you can choose your industry. You can choose based on what you're looking to do. If you're looking to do just trying to get email signups, if you're looking to sell a product, depending on what industry you're in, you can select any kind of theme that you want, that you think is going to be most useful for what you're trying to accomplish. And just like all the other ones, you can preview the template. So it'll come up in another window, which isn't a bad thing. I like the ones that just come up in the same window, but if it comes up in another window, that's okay as well. It also allows you to see the mobile version and desktop version before you get it. And then if this is something that you want to use, you just click use template and then just name. So we'll just name it start. And then you go right into the editor. Now I like this, that it gives you kind of a checkoff up top. So as you're going through, it kind of lets you know, what steps still need to be done for you to complete your landing page and have it ready to go to start sending traffic to it, which I think is really cool, right? Because, if you're just getting started and you really don't know everything that you need to have or make sure that you have in your landing page, it gives you kind of a step-by-step way to make sure that your landing page is ready to go and it's going to be ready for you to send traffic to it. Now, the other thing I like about Landingi is you can move everything around wherever you want. So you don't have to worry about blocks or, being constrained to where they want you to put text or where they want you to put images, or, it being very block formatted without having to go and do HTML, which is really nice because it really gives you the freedom to move everything where you want and kind of design it the way you want. Very easy over here. You have all of the things you need to change text, size, font, change the placement of text if you want it centered. So this is very user-friendly, especially for somebody who's just getting started. It's very simple for someone to go in, have never done this before in their lives, and be able to create a nice-looking landing page, especially with the templates that they offer, and be able to create and design something not only unique for your business, but also that is going to look very good, and it's going to look like you're a professional at it and you didn't even really have to do anything to accomplish that. The other thing that I really like about these templates is they also have the thank you page. This is usually something in a landing page builder that you would have to build separate, right? So you'd have your main page where people are actually landing on, and then you would have to go and build a separate page that would be your thank you page. And so you'd have to create that, after somebody opted in or whatever it is that you're trying to get them to do. You would have had to create that page separate. Whereas with this, as soon as you choose a template, it automatically integrates that thank you page for you. So it's really easy. As a beginner, you don't have to think about too much. Kind of all the thinking is already done for you. And really easy also to check what it looks like out on mobile and what it looks like on desktop, so you can make sure everything is placed where you want it. And once again, super easy to use. I highly recommend this. If you are a beginner, you're just getting started, you don't have a lot of photography, you don't have a lot of images, you don't have a lot of experience. This is really a start and go landing page builder that is designed for beginners. It is definitely designed for beginners. I mean, even at the price points, you can see that it's designed for somebody who is entry level or just getting started. It does have the capacity to do some custom things if you want the custom integrations. But for the most part, this is a great starter for anybody who is just getting started. And like I said before, I highly recommend going with the middle package here, only because you do get those royalty-free images with it, and you are unlimited on those, which is great. And so I definitely and highly would suggest you go with the middle package. Obviously, if you need more capacity, you go with the higher one. If you don't think you need the images, then go with the lower one. Go with what you need. But for most beginners, you're probably going to enter into the mid-tier package. And even if you did start out with the lower tier package, as soon as you realize that you want to get some images and you start seeing how much it costs for royalty-free images to go and pay for those, you'll start seeing that it is worth the value to just pay that additional $20 a month. And then with the 14-day trial, try it out, see if you like it, get your hands in, start building your landing pages, and let me know how it works out for you.